Prongheads. Seriously, that's a new catchphrase. That's an ancient catchphrase that I came up with back in my young years. Back in my young years, when I found out this guy's name, I used to say it to just for the fun of it. Prongheads are pack hunters that travel like wolves. I saw this on Alien Planet. A series about discovering an extraterrestrial place filled with extraterrestrial life. And it all takes place on a place called Darwin IV. The life that supports it has taken history to another level. Alexa, play the Amazing World of Gumball theme.
The Amazing World of Gumball theme song by The Amazing World of Gumball in VGR on Amazon Music.
Much like most animals, this guy has raptor-like feet. Or at least dinosaur-related feet. Here's his foot. Alexa, on Discovery Channel, what was Alien Planet?
Here are a few movies playing near West Hills today. Insidious, The Red Door, Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny, Oppenheimer, and Elemental. If you'd like to hear more, ask me to tell you more.
Alright. Alright. Alexa, what is Pronghead? Alexa, what is a pack hunter?
A pack hunter or social predator is a predatory animal which hunts its prey by working together with other members of its species. Normally, animals hunting in this way are closely related, and with the exceptions of chimpanzees where only males normally hunt, all individuals in a family group contribute to hunting.
I don't know if I should do it in the front or like this. No, it kind of looks like a foot. You can debut it in many ways, like this, or possibly, or in the back foot. Not sure. Either way it goes, that is how you draw a pronghead. That's how you draw a pronghead. I mean, its body has a spotted feature, and it's, well, It has antlers on its face, and it's kind of shaped like a dinosaur, which is kind of interesting. Well, you can draw it any way you like. Anyway, that is how you draw a pronghead. And let me know what dinosaur or alien you want me to draw next. Good night. I'm pretty sure it's this way.